Okay, so I'm going to do a quick review of what we talked about yesterday to begin with. And the two things that we need to remember from yesterday, number one was taking a whole number and converting that into an improper fraction. So let's say we wanted an improper fraction with a denominator of 3. How many thirds is 4 wholes? Okay, and we said, well, each third, every time we have 3 thirds, that makes 1 whole. So we have 4 wholes. So that would be 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 is 12 thirds. And we should be able to reverse that process as well. If I gave you the improper fraction of 25 fifths and said how many whole units are in 25 fifths, you should be able to tell me that the whole is 5. So for every 5, I have 1 whole set. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 is the same as 25 fifths. And then we extended that. The second thing we did was we looked at a whole number with a fraction, in other words, what we call a mixed number, and turning that mixed number into an improper fraction. So in this case, our whole is 5, and we have 3 units of 5s. 3 times 5 is 15, 5, 10, 15, and 2 more is 17. So I have 17 fifths. And lastly, we should be able to reverse that process. So if we're given the improper fraction 21 over 6, how many wholes and what fraction part, if any, is remaining? Our whole is 6, 6, 12, 18. So 18 is 3 whole units, 18 over 6. And I have 3 left over. And some people would say, well, wait a minute, 3 6, that's 1/2. Okay, so there's our review skill from what we did yesterday.